Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out JasmyCoin's price chart, and I'm going to do a deep dive into this specific phase up, and I'm going to see what is happening in here in terms of Elliott waves, and do we have some optimistic signs, and at what point can we argue in Jasmy we are going to see a very strong rise. So first things first, if you remember in the previous update, we were right around, I believe, these areas, and the idea was we can have a consolidation pattern and yet another move up, and at that point, a 5-wave impulsive structure has completed starting from the lowest low, and what happens after that, we said, even if we are looking bullish and optimistic, we are going to have a move on the downside, but the move down itself is not really that important. What really matters is the shape of that move. And I need you to pay full attention to what is happening in this area, because I believe this is a beautiful looking ABC zigzag. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into a classic ABC on the upside into wave B, and yet another 5 wave down to around this point into our C leg. And pay attention, I have checked that already. Between these two lows, this point right in here by like a very small margin is the lowest low. Why is this important? Let's go around here. You see, if you want to say that we are looking bullish and we are going to have a sustainable uptrend, then okay, in each move on the upside, you kind of need to be able to find a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This specific example is an impulse. Rules for it are, we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of 5 wave, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliott waves, and in terms of the sub waves, you know the story if you are a regular viewer. 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5. Okay, and for wave 2 and 4, we can have many different possibilities. It's not really that important. Let's say show ABC into 4, and yep, a WXY into wave 2. Now let's go on the live chart and start counting from this point. So in my opinion, we are having very strong move up, 5 wave into a wave 1, probably an A, B, C flat into wave 2, another 5 up to about this point, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, probably a running flat, and another move into wave 5 on a higher degree into this wave 3, and then yes, I believe this is a WXY as opposed to an ABC into wave 4, and yet another 5 wave up into wave 5. So the fact that after this ABC down, we are absolutely able to find a complete impulse on the upside is, in my opinion, a great sign. Now, what is happening starting from this side? Well, we can consider different counts in here, but here is the one that I do kind of like. You see, you can argue this is a correction down, and starting from this point, this is a wave 1, and then probably we are having an A, B, C flat into wave 2, and at the moment, if this scenario is happening, we can say we are on our way to have a massive move into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, in Jasmy, if these sub waves are correct, we can have kind of two different scenarios, I would say. You can say maybe these are a series of 1-2s. For example, this isn't going to be like that much of a strong move up, and it's going to be into wave 1, and then we're going to have correction for 2, yet another move up into wave 3, 4, 5, which on a higher degree, it's going to be into wave 3, and then correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, and even that one, you know what I'm about to say, it's going to be into a larger degree wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, if this scenario is happening, well, okay, this indicates that in the short term soon, we're going to be on our way up to complete a series of wave 3s, and since in terms of Elliott waves, one very important characteristic of a wave 3 is being quite a strong move up. We can expect our move on the upside in Jasmy to accelerate quite a bit, potentially even in the next 24 to about 48 hours. The other scenario suggests, okay, this is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's going to get extended quite a bit, and we are still having a series of 1-2s. It's just the fact that this white 5 up is going to be into this wave 3 and 4 and 5, and the rest is pretty much the same. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, in the interest of being objective, I think right now we should check out another scenario, this time a bearish one, indicating we are going to have a move on the downside. And I believe maybe, yes, maybe there's a chance that in here we are having an ABC flat, which looks like this. this is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, which and we are going to get pretty close to this high, and then another move down into our C leg. And in this phase down, either we are going to take the low of our A leg, or if we are not going to take it, we are going to get extremely close to it. And in terms of the sub waves, ABC down into A, ABC, or maybe let's say this time WXY up into B. I know if you want to go 100% according to the rules for our B leg, we have to have an ABC structure, but you know, I do like to be a bit flexible with the rules. The world is not going to come to an end in case we find a WXY into a B leg of a flat structure, okay? It's very important to understand that. Now, what is going on in here? This might be from this point an A, B, C up, and I said, okay, this is an ABC down, so according to this scenario, maybe from this point or maybe like a bit higher, we are going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. Now, what really matters if we are going to get this move is this: are we going to take the lowest low down here about 1.6 cents or not? Why? Because as long as we are not taking the lowest low, even having something like this is going to be optimistic and bullish. Why? Because you can still argue this is 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction for wave 2 in form of a beautiful ABC flat. And what's going to happen next? Once more, the conclusion is the same: massive move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. And finally, the question is how we can say whether this or the previous scenario, which suggested we are having a series of 1-2s, is happening. Let's go around here. Here are a series of 1-2s. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in here you are having maybe like a 1 and the 2 and 3, 4, 5 into this wave 3, and maybe it's best to change the colors to orange, and this can be like another 1 and a 2, and then into wave 3 and 4 and 5. There we go. Let's change the colors to red. Okay, I need you to pay attention to what is happening in this area, because in Jasmy, if we are looking bullish and optimistic, we might be somewhere similar to this region. Now, before we get a massive move up, you can say maybe this is a bit of a rising wedge, which overall is kind of a bearish pattern. However, the moment that we get a break of the upper line, at that point, you should have much more confidence about the 1-2 scenario being in play. Now let's go on the live chart in Jasmy and see what is happening. Let's just delete the waves. Okay, if you want to say these are a series of 1-2s, I think you need to have your eyes on this specific line right in here, and let's just do it like this. Okay, so in Jasmy, I'm gonna argue the moment that we see hopefully from the current point or maybe like just below a move up in order to get a break of this line, and then we do above it a consolidation and we get yet another move up in order to take this high. At that point, we can say, you know what, the extension scenario is happening, which means our move up is going to indeed accelerate quite a bit. So if you want to be really optimistic, you need to have your eyes on this line. On the other hand, if we are not lucky and we're going to get a move down, you need to have your eyes on the lowest low. As long as we are not taking it, I think there is still a valid argument to be made for this whole structure to be an ABC flat, which indicates after it's over, we are going to continue our uptrend. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JasmyCoin's charts. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.